Hello, my name is Chris Houchin, Route Programme Manager Buildings and Civils on Wales and Borders. Today we're here on the Central Wales Line, otherwise known as the Heart of Wales Line, undertaking some recovery works after a weather event 4 weeks ago took out around about half a mile's worth of track and 3 big landslips. We've taken out around about 600 tonne of debris and material, and we're now replacing it with around about 2,000 tonne of new track ballast and understone, and we're also replacing the embankment slips and the cutting slips further up the track. One of the important parts about this site is making it more resilient in the future. As part of that, we've got to do some necessary vegetation work and some drainage works and some more resilient enhancements to the drainage system and the water course that goes through this area. We hope to have this line up and running again as soon as possible. I'd like to thank the Works Delivery Track team, AMCO, our civils contractor, and our line side neighbours for all their help as well in making this line get back as soon as possible.